Alright, so what's up, guys? We're here in the garage today, and I'm going to be arranging it to fit my quad in here. But this is just a little let know of what this channel is all about. Here we have the 88S10 that you guys will be following with us on the LS1 swap. We got the LS1 intake here, and LS1 block under here. We got the heads. We recently done a Fox body swap on it, and this ain't my truck. This ain't mine at all. But this is my dad's 88S10. Pretty clean on the inside, and sorry about this. But yeah, it's pretty clean, and we are going. Just wanted to let you guys know on what I'm doing, what this channel is about. This channel is actually about daily life, truck builds, quad riding, trail runs, mud runs, off-roading adventures. My build on my truck is over out there. Take you guys to look at it. I'll edit that, but this is my 98 Chevrolet Blazer LS. Ain't nothing special. It's got 29 by 10 15-inch wheel on it, and it's got subs in it, but I'm actually taking them out because of what's going on with this, and it's causing it to do. But there they are. This is just really. It's frozen. This ain't good. Okay. But yeah. See y'all later in the next video, I should say. And yeah. I took the glove off, but there's my truck, guys. I'll see y'all later.